make videos and then burn out so quickly and then quit YouTube. But somebody inspired me to do things that I love, and I'm gonna be starting to make vlogs again. Today I'm going to my internship, so I have the fit on and it's freezing out. We had a little fall spring in Massachusetts. Join me this week for some fun and getting my life together. I have a bunch of summer stuff from my house because I need to bring that to Puerto Rico. So that's a lot of stuff that I need to put away for right now. Good morning. It is Tuesday and I just had to take a shower because I self-tanned last night, so I need to wash that off. We're gonna get ready for the day. I still be using Kiehl's hyaluronic acid serum. I will forever recommend La Roche-Posay. Today I have classes literally all day. From 9:30 till 7:30 I'll be at Suffolk. I definitely need to go to the store, go to the gym, get some homework done, maybe go to a little cafe. We shall see. Let's find a fit for today. Alexa, what's the weather like today? 32 degrees. Ignore that pile. I'll be doing my laundry. I hear the little spring bird outside. I don't know if you can hear that. It's about to be spring. But not yet, so this is the fit for today. I have yet to do my makeup, but we're gonna get breakfast because I'm starving. Cottage cheese and pears with some honey on it. And a glass of OJ. Going over my schedule while I eat. Jewelry check, earrings, nails, little bracelet. I'm not gonna do a necklace today. Putting all my laundry on my bed so that I can do it when I get back, because it needs to be done. Going to Cafe Nero to do my homework. I have a lot. Today's Wednesday, and yesterday I literally got home and watched The Bachelor and went to bed. I was so tired. I did end up doing my laundry, but I did not have the motivation to film. I may hang out with friends tonight after my internship, which I have today, so hopefully it's not too busy. Alexa, play Tate McRae. I did my hair like this because it's so greasy, and it's also going to be really nice out today, supposedly. I need to figure out what I'm going to wear. So we are needing to get ready ASAP. I can't get up, but I need to get dressed. This is the fit for today. Jewelry. I also really want to change my duvet cover and my sheet set, These are what I'm looking at on Pinterest for ideas, and I don't know if I want, no, I don't know what to do. I'm so indecisive. So if you want in the comments to let me know what I should do, please do. I just did my psychiatry appointment. I literally love him so much. He's the best person ever. But we are going to my internship. Currently going to all the units and taking photos of them. It's all in the north end of Boston, so it's cute and cozy here. But I have a lot of tours today, and I also need to email a bunch of people for September 1st apartments. And if you live in Boston, you know September 1st is the day.
So you're doing Zendaya? That's crazy. Yeah, that basically. But
Good morning, Kitty. Happy Thursday. I'm planning on going to Marshall's and finding a suitcase and maybe like a duvet cover, finally. And then I also need to stop at Ulta because I need to get some things. And I also want to get some things for Puerto Rico, maybe. We'll see. It's super nice out, so we're getting our ass outside. Fit today. I have my Lululemon jacket on, my airy leggings, and my New Balance sneakers. We're going shopping. Quick little haul of what I got. I got a travel pillow because I actually don't have one, and I feel like I could use one, so I got this at Marshall's. I got these wicked cute pants. I'm so excited for these. These pink and green striped pants, and they're honestly low-waisted, which I love. These green and white striped pants, which I could potentially wear on St. Patrick's Day. Got some food. I got mac and cheese stuff because I'm lazy and I don't like cooking sometimes. Best snack ever, like cauliflower or like broccoli and dipped in ranch. Love. These little true fruit. I got the raspberry ones. Those are my favorite. Then I need a new body wash and I haven't tried the Cotton and Lily by Native, so I got this one. I got pink trash bags, and then I went to Ulta and I got the Mario Badescu drying lotion because that has cleared my acne. I need to put all this stuff away. We have the fruit, a brownie, and we're watching YouTube. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Hello? Don't eat my food. That's what we're gonna be doing for the rest of the night. Happy Friday. I deep cleaned my whole room and I changed my bed sheets to more of a spring color because spring is coming. The duvet covers that I showed, I don't want to buy one until I can find the right pink because I think I like the pink one the most. and I just can't find it, or I do find it and it's like $300. So we'll wait to change up the bedding, but for now it'll be my blue duvet cover. I got this little graphic thing on. We are going on a date tonight. More casual, I guess, because this is not like the first date, so we need to straighten my hair because it's a disaster. I feel like I need a new mascara. Like, I'm using Lash Paradise, but I feel like it used to be not as clumpy. My bangs have been literally not banging lately. Like, what's happening? I'm scared. We're gonna do that for right now. Okay, makeup is done, but I definitely need to figure out my bangs. So we're just gonna have to keep them in this for a little bit. The jewelry lineup. Do you like my jewelry? I think he likes it. We are ready and leaving for our date. Next vlog will probably be in Puerto Rico, so it's gonna be a lot more interesting than this. But I will see you guys in the next video. Happy Friday.